Hi friends, this time we play with Deed Firza. Deed Firza is playing with animals. Want to know what the fun is like? Let's watch the video, my friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's watch. What animal is that, friend? Yes, that's the name of the gorilla.
Watch out, Firza, the gorilla is angry. Luckily, Firza, it's okay.
Firza, why? I can fall. Wow, the gorilla is good friend. He helps Firza stand up. Let's go, Firza. Chase the gorilla. Friend, what is the name of the animal? Yes, it is true. It's called a wolf. Hey, where are you going? It turns out, he wants to eat chicken.
Dog, come here. Good boy.
Friend, does anyone know the name of this animal? Yes, this is a wild boar. This animal is dangerous, my friend. If you find this animal, you just run away, friend. Whee! Wild boars have sharp fangs. You have to be careful, my friend. Phil again. Hey, there is an animal approaching Firza again. But the animals seem fine, don't they? The animals are cute. What's the name, friend? Yes, it's called a deer. These animals are kind and cute guys. If you find him, give him food. Hey, Firza playing with the tiger. Calm down. Your tiger is tame, my friend. That's right. The tigers are nice and cute guys. called a camel. Guys,
Wow.
these animals usually live in the desert. This animal is good friend and can also be ridden. Thanks for watching, friends. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.